If you've been wondering if learning data analytics could be the golden ticket to your dream job, then you're in the right place. I've done the heavy lifting for you. I've read tons of reviews, talked to people who've actually taken the course, and today I'm sharing everything you need to know. Is this certification the real deal or just buzzword in the tech world? Let's find out together. Welcome to CourseCorrect, your upskilling partner. Alright, here's the lowdown. The Google Data Analytics certification is an 8-course program designed to take you from a total newbie to someone who knows their way around a dataset. No, you don't need to be a math wizard or a coding pro to start. It's structured to ease you into the world of data, starting with the basics and then moving to more advanced concepts. So who is this course really for? Well, if you're a recent grad, a career switcher, or someone who just wants to level up their skills in the current job, this course is a good fit. For example, I heard from a marketing specialist who took this course and said it completely changed how they approach data. They now feel confident handling big data sets and making data-driven decisions at work. So it's safe to say the course is pretty versatile. Let's break down the course content real quick. It starts with data everywhere. Think of it as your intro class, where you learn what data is, why it matters, and how it's used. Some students found this module really helpful in building a solid base, making everything else less intimidating. Now the next module is Ask Question to Make Data-Driven Decisions. This module emphasizes on the importance of asking the right questions. One student pointed out that this module changed their entire approach to data analysis, teaching them to think critically. It's the kind of skill that makes you go, why didn't I learn this sooner? Then we move on to prepare data for data exploration and process data from dirty to clean. Here you learn about data cleaning, basically making sure your data isn't a mess. Many students found these modules challenging but rewarding, because nobody likes working with messy data. The next module is Analyze Data to Answer Questions. This is where things get hands-on with Excel, SQL, and Python. Some students mentioned they could immediately apply these skills at work, describing this part of the course as a light bulb moment. It's like having a toolkit that can fix any data problem. The next module is called Share Data Through the Art of Visualization. This is where you become a data storyteller. Using tools like Tableau, you'll create visualizations that turn numbers into meaningful insights. I've heard from learners who went from feeling terrified of charts to being able to create impressive visualizations that wowed their teams. It's all about making your data speak clearly. Now don't be scared, but the next module is Data Analysis with R Programming. Yes, R has a bit of a learning curve, but the course breaks it down into manageable steps. Some students compared learning R to riding a bike. It's wobbly at first, but once you get the hang of it, you're cruising. And R is incredibly powerful for analyzing data. Finally, there's Capstone Project, your chance to apply everything you've learned into a real-world scenario. Students often say this project ties everything together and is a perfect end to the course. It's like your own practice run for what you'll do in a real job. Now let's talk careers. Completing the certification gives you a solid foundation, but remember, you'll need to keep building on it. Most entry-level data jobs look for skills in Excel, SQL, and sometimes R, but they also value practical experience. So use this course to get your foot in the door, but keep learning. Think of it as your starting point, but not the finish line. Pro tip, start building your portfolio and network while you're learning. Share your projects on LinkedIn, join data communities, and connect with other learners. Some people have told me that they didn't wait until they finished the course to start looking for opportunities. They got proactive and it paid off. Okay, here's the verdict. Most students love the practical hands-on approach and feel this course is a great stepping stone into the field of data analytics. However, a few think the coverage of tools like Tableau, SQL, and R is a bit basic. If you're looking to master these tools, you might need additional courses or practice. So is Google Data Analytics certification worth it? If you're ready to start your data journey or switch careers, it's a solid investment. And if you want to read a more detailed review on the course, check out the link in the description. And if you are confused about which course makes most sense for you, CourseCorrect is here to help. CourseCorrect is an AI-powered platform that helps you find the perfect upskilling course effortlessly. Click on the link in the description to reserve your spot for early access and discover your ideal course. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to CourseCorrect for a more honest review and drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Stay curious.